Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Gears of War 2. To begin, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. This will open a new screen where you can choose between different online experiences. You'll find options to join public matches, create private games, or browse available sessions. It's the first step to diving into the action with other players and enjoying the game's competitive and cooperative modes. Once in the multiplayer lobby, you can decide whether to join a public match or host a private game. For private games, you can invite up to 4 friends directly from your friends list. After selecting your preferred game type, such as Team Deathmatch or Wingman, you'll then choose a map. This setup allows you to tailor the experience, whether you're playing casually with strangers or competitively with a dedicated squad. Gears of War 2 offers a variety of engaging game modes beyond the standard Team Deathmatch. You can try Execution, where kills are permanent, or Guardian, protecting your leader. Before each match, you can customize your character's appearance and weapon loadout. This allows you to personalize your soldier and choose the weapons that best suit your playstyle. Experiment with different options to find what works best for you. To excel in Gears of War 2 multiplayer, effective teamwork is crucial. Use your microphone to communicate with your squad, calling out enemy positions or coordinating pushes. Always utilize the game's robust cover system. It's essential for survival and strategic movement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapons and tactics. Consistent practice will help you improve your aim, map awareness, and overall combat effectiveness, leading to more victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.